today we talk about how can you upload photos or videos on your family album app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on add down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on continue to settings, you just click on it here. So then you come to this, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on allow, then automatically it's going to take you to your photos and videos and select photo and video you want to upload on your family album app. So that's all you have to do here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.